This video I will explain how to receive money on PhonePe. Receiving money on PhonePe means someone sends money directly to your bank account using the PhonePe app. The money comes instantly using UPI. UPI stands for Unified Payments Interface. What you need before receiving money? To receive money, you need PhonePe account, a linked bank account, your mobile number or UPI ID. Now we will see the important concepts. What is UPI? UPI is a system that allows instant bank-to-bank money transfer. What is UPI ID? UPI ID is a unique ID like your name at bank used to receive money. What is QR code? QR code is a square code others can scan to pay you. What is bank account linking? Connecting your bank account to PhonePe. Now we will see what are the different ways to receive money on PhonePe. You can receive money in PhonePe in three simple ways. First one is using mobile number, second one is using UPI ID, third one is using QR code. Now we will see how to receive money using mobile number. Share your mobile number with the sender. The sender enters your mobile number in their PhonePe app. They enter the amount and send money. Money is received instantly in your bank account. Real life example. Amit wants to send you 1000 rupees. You give your mobile number. Amit sends the money using PhonePe. You receive 1000 rupees instantly. Now we will see how to receive money using UPI ID. Share your UPI ID to the sender. The sender uses this UPI ID to send money. Now we will see the real life example. Suppose a client want to send money to you. You share your UPI ID. The client send the payment. Money comes directly to your bank account. Now we will see how to receive money using QR code. You have to open the PhonePe app, go to My QR code, show your QR code to the sender scans and pays. Now we will see the real life example. You run a small shop. Customer scans your QR code, enters the amount, pays using PhonePe. You receive the money instantly. How to check if you received money? After receiving money, you will get a notification. You can check in the transaction history. Your bank balance increases. Now we will see the important safety tips. Do not share your UPI PIN. Do not share your OTP. To receive money, you do not need to enter the PIN. Always check payment confirmation. Here you can see the summary of whatever we have discussed.